Get back and on again, 'cause I'm just another old son of sand. I'm just another old son that's been passed like a bottle to praise my kin. Ain't a matter of where you've been, 'cause I'm just another old son of sand.
Oh, fuck. Do you want to go for the sternum? Oh, yeah, get ready, get ready. Oh, it's leaving. Get ready, Ryan. It's quartering away. Wait for it. Oh, no, you're right. Yep. Fucking rights. You lung it? Okay. We shot fucking moose. So Ryan, we might as well do the intro now.
Intro to what?
Moose hunting.
BC Outdoors production. Moose hunting 2022.
What do we got on the ground over there?
We got a fucking bull moose on the ground.
Not bad, not
One
bad.
shot, one kill, buddy.
Hell's fucking yeah.
It's 7:20 the first morning.
Yeah, 7:20 morning one.
We've walked for 40 minutes and we've already dropped the fucking moose.
40 minutes from camp. We wanted to get to this bog, do some calling, and we didn't even do some calling. Buddy was just out there.
He was already waiting for us.
Yeah.
He heard all our calling from camp.
He must have.
He heard all our calling from camp because he was fucking going that way.
Man, it must have been.
He must have heard our calling.
Yeah. Our practice calling.
I'm kind of bugged out today. Hello, guy.
Big enough for me? We were calling right there, doing our cow calls this morning, and just sitting, you know, waiting, trying to listen for a big old bull come down. But Kyle was glassing. He said, "Scott, there's coyotes down along that, not at the tree line, but like from where we were sitting. I ranged them at 150-ish yards, like that way. Was able to, and then I put the vitals on. I was like, holy shit, those are wolves. And then we got one.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, first wolf. We had to sit this evening in this marsh. There's a lake on the other side there. Every time we did doing cow calls very irregularly, and a cow calf came in and did a little feeding, and then I cow called and scared it off. But every time we cow call, the wolves on the other side of the lake, they pop off and howl, and there's two groups of them. So I think around here the play is to not cow call, because you just call them wolves.